Hi friends, welcome back to the Mickey Bunch. Come along with us as we check out Christmas in Carsland. Radiator Springs is all decked out. It's absolutely gorgeous with twinkling lights, Christmas decorations, along with that neon that we love so much. Our lightning lane time is upon us, so start your engines, my friends. We're about to zoom through the desert landscape of Carsland.
Get ready. Peter, coming, Sheriff. Howdy. Doing great. It's gonna be fun. Hey, it's easy. Just sneak up on me.
Busyness on this planet.
Tempe.
Radiator Springs.
Champion needs speed
And style.
Luigi, give our friend your best.
Let's go! For you, my friend, only the best. Big up. Oh, yes. Wonderful times. God, do we know? To the starting line. Okay.
It takes more than new tires to win a race. I'm your new crew chief.
The new ones are pitching hard, getting into the groove. So pay attention. Good.
Yes. Now you have the chance to make this the most glorious race of your life. To make it ready. What's that?
Show me what you got. Hold tight around the turn. Pull it off. Going, hot shot. Rough.
Great race, everybody. Look who's won. We did, Peter. How you feeling? Because we made new friends. We won.
Oh my goodness, how I love riding Radiator Springs Racers. Thank you so much for coming along with us. As we head out of the park, let's definitely check out all the cool Christmas lights throughout Carsland. Cars Land at Christmas is just stunning. Thank you so much again for coming along with us. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet so you don't miss anything Disney or anything the Mickey Bunch. Please give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below what your favorite part was. We wish you a very blessed and magical night, my friends. I cannot wait to see you again soon. Merry Christmas!